for the kx85. We got the full engine rebuild kit. We got the new crank bearings, the gasket kit, and we got a new piston. All right, I got the motor apart, and now we can definitely see, like, with the crank, now that everything apart, is that, like, it's definitely, see, it's supposed to be bearings inside, between, you know, inside the crankshaft, and it's not. The bearings is over with, like, so that's why the crank was getting stuck. Like, the bearings, there's no more bearings in there. And then even with the crank bearings bad too, they seized up. It's supposed to be spinning easy, like real easy, and it barely want to spin. All right, I got the new crank bearings and the new seals in it. As you can see, these crank bearings spin easy. This how it should spin. It shouldn't be seized up like the old ones. And I got the new crank right here, and as you can see, it got the bearings inside of the crankshaft, and this one missing the bearings. So that was the problem. So now I'm gonna put the new crank in, put the bottom end together. Got that new crank in, it got everything, the bottom end together. As you can see, it's spinning freely now. It's spinning nice and freely. Okay, I got everything back together. And yes, it is cold start. V-touch.